A Legend of Rubizal. Why was the glazier feeling tired? The glazier was feeling tired because it was a sunny day. He was carrying a heavy load of glass. Question number 2. What did Rubizal disguise himself as first? Rubizal disguised himself as a mound covered with the soft grass. Question number 3. What did Rubizal disguise himself as second? Rubizal disguised himself as a traveler next. Question number 4. What was Rubizal's third disguise? Rubizal's third disguise was that of a donkey. Question 5. Find two examples from the story that show us that the miller was an unpleasant man. The answer is the miller had cheated many poor people over the years. He also worked his animals and servants too hard. Question number 6. How do you think the stable boy felt when the donkey spoke to him? Answer is I think the stable boy was scared and amazed at the same time. Question number 7. Which of the following sentences is true? The donkey was sold for $8. The glazier bought a donkey. The miller was a kind man. Or all of this, none of these are true. Part B, reference to context. Who said the following to whom and when? Hey, get this donkey some hay, the miller said to the stable boy. Second, hello, my good man, Rubizal said to the glazier. Third, don't worry, for I will help you get your money back if you do as I say, Rubizal said to the glazier. Ah, that's better, Glazier said to himself. Fifth, there you go, old chap. Better eat quickly because you will be set to work soon, the stable boy said to the donkey. Sixth, I don't eat hay, I eat nothing but roasted and boiled turnips, nothing but the best. The answer is the donkey said to the stable boy. For the words of same sound and different meaning, do visit my shorts video of homophones, which is into English Made Simple playlist. Write out these sentences, choosing the word that makes sense. The donkey ate some hay or hay is right. We were on our way or way, way is right. To weigh the suitcases. The bear ate some honey in the woods. If only I could a BWB. We paid the fare and got our tickets. Can you think of other words that sound the same but have different meanings? So answer is MAID made or MADE made, DER dear or DEAR dear, HERE here or HEAR here. If you want answers to other chapters of this book, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.